Hyundai's campervan that will change RV travel forever. What if the future of RV travel didn't come from a traditional motorhome brand? What if the biggest disruption in campervan design came from one of the world's most innovative automotive manufacturers? In 2026, Hyundai is doing exactly that, redefining what a modern campervan can be. This is not just another converted van with a bed and a kitchen. This is a purpose-built, technology-driven, lifestyle-focused campervan designed for a new generation of travelers. Today, we're taking a deep, cinematic look at Hyundai's campervan that many believe will change RV travel forever. We'll explore its exterior design, interior living space, kitchen and bathroom setup, real-world driving performance, advanced technology, and, of course, the honest pros and cons. If you're interested in the future of campervans, smart mobility, and compact luxury on wheels, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Exterior design. From the outside, it's clear this campervan doesn't follow traditional RV design rules. Hyundai's approach is clean, modern, and unmistakably automotive. The body features smooth, aerodynamic surfaces rather than boxy campervan panels. This not only improves efficiency, but gives it a refined, almost futuristic road presence. The front end carries Hyundai's latest design language, with slim LED lighting, a bold grille design, and a confident stance that feels more like a premium MPV than a commercial van. The integration between cab and living area is seamless, eliminating the awkward add-on look seen in many camper conversions. Materials are lightweight, yet strong, designed to improve driving dynamics and energy efficiency. Flush-mounted windows, hidden vents, and smart panel lines all contribute to a quieter, smoother ride. On the road, it turns heads, not because it's flashy, but because it looks intentional. This is a campervan that feels designed from the ground up, not built as an afterthought. Interior and living space. Step inside, and the philosophy becomes even clearer. Hyundai has focused on space efficiency, comfort, and simplicity, creating an interior that feels calm, open, and genuinely livable. The lounge area is bright and welcoming, thanks to panoramic windows and a light, modern color palette. Soft touch materials, clean lines, and subtle ambient lighting give the space a premium, almost minimalist feel. Seating is ergonomic and supportive, designed for both relaxing and working. The layout adapts easily. A place to enjoy your morning coffee, work remotely, or unwind after a long drive. Storage is intelligently hidden throughout the cabin. Overhead compartments, under-seat storage, and modular shelving ensure everything has a place without cluttering the living space. What stands out most is the sense of openness. Despite its compact footprint, the interior never feels cramped. Hyundai's automotive design expertise is clearly at work here, balancing form and function perfectly. Kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. This is where Hyundai truly challenges traditional campervan expectations. The kitchen is sleek, modern, and highly functional. You'll find a high-efficiency induction cooktop, a compact but powerful ventilation system, and a deep sink designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. The refrigerator is energy-efficient and thoughtfully positioned, while drawers and cabinets use smart dividers to maximize usable space. Countertops extend when needed, then fold away cleanly. The sleeping area is equally impressive. The bed offers a full-length sleeping surface with a high-quality mattress designed for proper spinal support. This isn't a compromise bed. It's designed for real rest on long journeys. Integrated lighting, ventilation, and charging ports ensure comfort throughout the night. Privacy solutions are elegant and effective without blocking airflow or light during the day. The bathroom is compact but remarkably refined. A fully enclosed wet bath includes a modern toilet, shower, and durable waterproof finishes. Water pressure and temperature control feel more like a hotel than a camper van. For a vehicle of this size, the living essentials are not just present. They're thoughtfully executed. Performance and driving experience. Unlike many camper vans that feel heavy and slow, Hyundai's Campervan drives like a modern passenger vehicle. Power comes from an advanced powertrain, with options expected to include efficient diesel, hybrid, or even fully electric configurations depending on the market. Acceleration is smooth, controlled, and well-suited to both city traffic and highway cruising. Suspension tuning is one of the biggest highlights. The ride is comfortable and stable, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Long drives feel relaxed, quiet, and surprisingly refined. Steering is precise and light, making tight roads, parking, and urban driving stress-free. This is a camper van you can confidently use every day, not just on holidays. For many buyers, this driving experience alone sets it apart from traditional RVs. So, does Hyundai's Campervan really have the potential to change RV travel forever? For many travelers, the answer is yes. By combining automotive engineering, smart technology, and thoughtful interior design, Hyundai has created a campervan that feels modern, efficient, and genuinely enjoyable to live with. This isn't just a vehicle for vacations, it's a new way to travel, work, and explore. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose a high-tech Hyundai Campervan over a traditional motorhome? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.